Welcome to the University of Central Oklahoma. What a beautiful campus, a great place to be. This is the University for Leaders of Tomorrow, where civility, character, and community are central. You can see why you'll love it here. I know I do. I'm Quinn Tran, and I graduated from UCO. This is one of my favorite places here on campus, Bronco Lake. It's at the center of the university, and so it makes for a perfect place for students to come together. Some like to study. Others even like to check email. And over there, that's our beautiful Nye University Center. More than 16,000 students attend classes here at UCO. 1,300 are international students from more than 90 different countries. Students say we have just about everything here on campus. Strong academics, very nice housing, and plenty of activities. Our Wellness Center has state-of-the-art fitness equipment. Our football stadium is one of the finest anywhere. And soccer is very popular, with opportunities for all to join an intramural team. And wherever you choose to live on campus, UCO has something for everyone. From a coffee bar at Central Plaza, the convenience of the suites, apartment-style living in the Commons, to traditional dormitory life at West Hall for women and Murdaugh Hall for men, all within easy walking distance to class. And there's a community clubhouse on campus that offers a pool table, TV lounge, ping pong, and a computer lab. For a relaxing evening of music and fun, the UCO Jazz Lab is one of the top live music venues in the metro. The food at UCO is terrific. We even have a sushi bar. But the best part is our professors, small classes, and whether you're studying broadcasting, business, engineering, education, forensic science, biology, the performing arts, or any of our more than 100 majors, or even if you're working on a master's degree, you, like every other student at UCO, will get personal attention from your instructors. We also live in a great community with so much to do and see that, well, you'll just have to experience it for yourself. Great academics, a beautiful campus, and really friendly people. There's so much to experience at UCO, all for an affordable cost. You won't find a better value in America. We hope to see you here at the University of Central Oklahoma. We'll see you soon.